Hey, this is Lefty Mom 65, aka Letty Fairfax 33, and this is my garden update number 2 for July 18th, 2012. I've been digging in the dirt. See? Ooh, wow, look at all the mud. I don't wear gloves, I probably should. Anyway, I wanted to show you sweet potatoes I pulled out. Oh, sorry, I'm using my iPad. Crazy looking sweet potatoes. And here's some red potatoes from what I was mentioning before, the little single potato. And this is like the third harvest from the little potatoes. And these are red cherry tomatoes. And one of these cherry tomatoes, if you just cut it open and put the seeds onto a paper towel and let it dry, and then put it away in a brown paper sack for the winter, and you can get a huge amount of seeds out of just one of these. So that's all I wanted to say. So it looks like we're going to have a little feast this evening. That's it. Take care, YouTube. Bye.